Hey guys, how's it going? We're doing the Fiesta today. Finally getting around to doing this skanky thing. As you can see, I've actually been dreading this. I've got the old gloves on. I've got a bloody mask on. Look at the state of this. Whoever freaking had this car first is some dirty tramp. Everywhere you go, it's just mould and dirt and crap everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. So I'm going to whip these seats out. See, yeah, just everywhere. Look at the state of this seatbelt. And that is what you call a bloody mouldy seatbelt. So rank. Obviously, I've got a new seat cushion because that one had a burn fag hole in it. Don't replace it with that. Boot's locked. I'll have to get a key. But everywhere you look, it's just mouldy. This has got to be one of the UK's dirtiest bloody cars. And I've just been dreading doing this. I'm still dreading it now, to be honest. Right, that's the new seat I got because obviously the other one's all completely repaired, like completely destroyed here and eaten. Look at that manky mouldness. Everywhere you go, there is dirt. Literally everywhere. Mouldy, mouldy, mouldy. Even the roof, there's mouldy. This is mouldy, skanky. The state of it. That's disgusting. Oh, set up the old camera and I'm going to sort all this mould out, spray it all with some proper mould cleaner. Well, actually, I'm using, to be honest, I'm not using mould cleaner yet. I'm using, what was it, good old Tesco's anti-bac for now. And basically hoover it all out, take the seats out, see what we're working with. Yeah, well, I'm going to crack on. Let's get all this out. It's rubbish. That's the mat I'm going to be sitting on in a minute. And disconnect these chairs. Well, obviously, what you've got there is you've got your torques there. So we're going to have to undo that first. Right, so obviously to do the seats, pretty much every car is T50. What you do is you tilt the seat back. Obviously, you're going to have the cables and the connectors, which are just in here. Right, what you got to disconnect this, you've got that there basically, and that clips into there. So you've got three of these, orange, green and purple, and they slot into there. They've all got location, different styles to put into it. So that is how you disconnect the chair. Now just pull it out. And this is what we have revealed. A good old mess. Let's shove them in there for now, so we don't lose them. Oh, I found that. I bought a bloody another one. Oh well. I want some makeup, some cookies. Wow, I'm rich. £1.35. Frickin' minging. That is going to be a lot of steam cleaning to clean that up. Right, that's all done. Just going to have to hoover it, wet vac it and everything else. That is absolutely frickin' disgusting. Look at that. God, I've got my work cut out. But it's the joys of what we do. So I'll crack on doing that now. Alright, we're getting there. This is all completely, I can't even get this off with a wire brush, so I'm probably going to have to dye this carpet because I'm going to get car mats anyway, so it's all nice. I just noticed something though, look how skanky that is, spot what that is. To me that looks like a freaking banana. All skanked up and proper mouldy. Well, even that 1p is bloody completely mouldy. Oh god, it gets worse and worse when I see stuff in here. Alright, there you go guys, it's a lot cleaner. That's that side done. Just gotta let all this soak in. The old anti-back. And I've got to do that side yet. Really can't be bothered, but I've got to do it. Just cleaned all the seats as well, the seat belts and that, and just shoved loads of fluid in there to soak it all up. So right, now on to the next side. other side done. You can tell obviously a woman was driving this car because it looks like they've put their heels through there, so I'm going to have to get some nice mats, because that's just going to look totally crap otherwise. Should clean all that out, yeah. And do the back seats and the boot. I think I should just record this one because it's going to take forever. So anyway, that's it, what it was. And that's the one I've just done. It literally takes forever. It's so dirty because it's so mouldy. Right, that's probably taken me a good hour. But look at that compared to this one. Now I'm going to be doing this one. So, oh well, it's all fun and games. It is what it is, I suppose. But obviously, look at that compared to that. It looks a million times better. No mould, no nothing. Whack some mould detergent on it. And then chuck them all back in once they're dry tomorrow. Right, I'm going to do this next one now. So roll that one. This is how dirty the seat is at the moment. That is bloody grim. I think that's quite dirty, don't you think? So I'll tip it all out later so you can see how dirty it was once I've finished. But that is just minging. That is what you call minging. And that's only one chair. Oh, there you go guys, that one's done as well. All finished. Just got to do the bloody rear seats, got to take them out. See, sort out a new one. Take the back ones out because it'd be easier, and then I can dry them indoors. Mrs. will kill me, but it is what it is. She wants the car sold, so that's what you got to do. Alright, see you later.